Hello everyone. In this video of compiler design, we are going to see handle pruning that is used to find out right mode derivation in reverse order for an input string in bottom up parsing. Okay. So what is use of handle pruning? It is used to find out right mode derivation in reverse order in bottom up parsing. Okay. First of all, we will try to understand handle pruning taking a suitable example. Then I will define handle pruning. Okay. So suppose this grammar has been given you and you have been asked to find out right mode derivation of input string ABC. Okay, so this is right mode derivation, and in order to find out right mode derivation in reverse order, that means starting with input string to start symbol of grammar. Okay, you need to use handle pruning. And what is handle here? In this string ABC, you need to find out a substring, and that substring can be matched with right hand side of production rule, and the reduction to left hand side of production rule will lead you one step back along right mode derivation in reverse order. So suppose in this string ABC, if I choose substring A and look at here in production rule where is A, and if I replace a small a by left hand side of production rule capital A, that means this capital A. Okay, so I can go one step back in right mode derivation in reverse order. Okay, so here A is handle. Okay, in this string ABC, what is handle here? A is handle. Okay, because this handle can be reduced by left hand side of matching production rule, so that you can go one step back in right mode derivation in reverse order. Okay, again, what is handle here? You can see if I replace this B, a small b, okay, where is B? This B. If I reduce this B by capital B, that means left hand side of matching production rule, in this way, so you can go one step back and right mode derivation in reverse order. Okay, again in this string handle is C, because if you reduce C by matching production rule, that means capital C left hand side, you can go one step back and right mode derivation in reverse order here. Okay, and in this string ABC, this entire string ABC is a substring. Okay, and this ABC can be reduced by matching production rule, that means left hand side matching production rule S. Okay, so this ABC can be reduced by or replaced by S. Okay, in this way you can see in this string ABC, A, B, C is handle here. Okay, so you can clearly see here, in order to find out right mode derivation in reverse order, we are using handle pruning. So in this string A is handle here, and this handle is replaced by left hand side of production rule A. In this string B is handle here, that is replaced by B. In this string C is handle here, and C is replaced by capital C. Okay, and in this string entire ABC is handle here, and that is replaced by S. So you can see, in order to find out right mode derivation in reverse order, first of all we are identify handle. Okay, so approach of identifying handle is known as handle pruning. Okay, and this handle pruning is used to find out right mode derivation in reverse order. So I think this example is very simple, and using this example you can easily understand what is handle pruning. Okay, so thank you everyone. We will see one more example of handle pruning, so that you can better understand handle pruning. Thank you everyone.